What's going on, everybody? Grim Repair here. Today we're working on a 2016 Ford Transit 250, and the problem that we're having is that our blower motor does not blow on anything but high. Most of the time that's going to be a blower motor resistor. Sometimes it could be the switch, but you're usually going to feel something weird going on with the switch, and this one feels pretty good. So today I'm going to show you how to change the blower motor resistor. It's located over here behind the glove box. You're going to open that up, push down on these tabs here, and that's just going to fold down. And then it's located past your cabin air filter right there. Right here, this white thing. It's got a electrical connector on it. We're gonna squeeze the tab, which is on the other side of it, not the side we're on. Man. It's kind of hard to do holding the camera, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that, but it's just got a tab on the other side. Squeeze it and pull it up. All right, so you can see we got the electrical connector disconnected there. It's right next to that connection that says 212. And now we have a precision screwdriver with a flexible bit on it. Let me get this out of the way. See what's going on here a little bit better. But here's the connector. It's only held in by one screw, so we're just going to loosen that. And it's loose. Don't lose the screw. The other end's just held in by this little tab here. So there's the location of the screw. And this is the precision screwdriver here. It's flexible, it bends, I can twist it, and it holds over here. It's pretty cool. I'll leave a link down in the description for this tool and the part used in the video. But here it is, and you can actually see right there where it's burnt out just by looking at it. You can tell. And this is a standard part, that's the brand name. Been having issues with them, so I've been having issues with this brand on multiple things, not just the sensor. So we're going to use a Ford part. Slide the screw in there and pop it back in. The installation is in the reverse of removal. If this video helps you out, be sure to give it a like. Now we got fan blowing on every speed. And that's it. High five, you did it.